All right, everything should be off your desk now except for a clean sheet of paper, a pencil, calculator, eraser, bucket for your tears, whatever it is that you need for this exam. Other than cheat sheets, no cheat sheets allowed. All right, let's go ahead and start in a word of prayer, then I'll pass out the exam and we will get started. Lord, I thank you for these students. Lord, I thank you for their hard work, their diligence this quarter. Lord, they've worked hard, they've done well. And Lord, I pray that you'd reward that effort now as they take their exam. Lord, I believe this is the last exam they have. And so, Lord, help them to remain focused, although I'm sure their brains are a little bit tired at this point. Help them to do their very best. I pray this would accurately reflect how hard they've worked and show accurately how well they understand the algebra that I've taught them. Help them not to make careless errors. Help them not to forget what to do. Help them not to blank out. Lord, just give them good clarity of thought now in Jesus' name. All right, when you get your exam, put your first and last name in the name spot. Today's date in the date spot. Today is 10/12/21. 10/12/21. Today's date. 10/12/21 is today's date. First and last name, 10/12/21, today's date, and then let's take a look at the exam together on the first page. Short answer, write the word or phrase that best completes each statement. Some answers may require more than one word. For the algebraic representation, again, I want you to first of all, in the first blank, rewrite the expression and then evaluate with the given values. Very similar to what we did in our review in our last lesson. Page 2, multiplication, multiply, factoring, factor, make sure you factor completely. Page 3, exponents, raised to the indicated power. Be sure to have positive exponents in your answers, which is what we normally do, so nothing out of the ordinary. Numbers 25 to 27, rational expressions, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Do that, be careful. Page 4, radicals, do what it says. Page 5, equations, solve for x, and then inequalities, solve for x. Be sure to write your answers in interval notation, and of course show your work here on page 5. If we turn the test over one more page, you'll see that there is nothing on page 6. What I would like you to do is write down this bonus problem on the back of page 6. I want you to take the fourth root of 16, a to the 8th, times the cube root of 5b squared. The fourth root of 16a to the 8th times the cube root of 5b squared. If you'll write that down, step off to the side, write that down on the back of your test. If you finish early, you'll have an opportunity to do that. That's going back to that extra lesson that I recorded for you earlier. All right, this time you may go ahead and get started. Be sure to use that blank piece of paper as a cover sheet. Keep your work covered at all times. Work carefully, work accurately, do your best.